This is an easy question. So to start with, we are provided with a triangle, and so we are given this is y equals to 0, the x-axis. This is say x plus y plus 1 equals to 0. Then we have the ortho center, one comma 1. So we have the ortho center and we have the line. So we have the slopes of this line as well as not this one, but say this one. So we have this vertex and this vertex as well. This is y equals to 0. So this line is x equals to 1. Solving this line with this line, we will get this vertex as 1 comma minus 2. Similarly, this line is x plus y plus 1 equals to 0. So the slope of this line is 1 and it passes through 1 comma 1. So this line becomes x equals to y. So solving this line with this line, we get this vertex. This becomes 0 comma 0. So we have each of the three vertices, and so the circle passing through them is option B only, or option B, because we have 3 points, so we'll get a unique circle. And checking, the answer is P. Minus 1 comma 0 lies on the circle, yes. 0 comma 0 lies on the circle, yes. And 1 comma minus 2 also lies on the circle. So answer is B.